Now, we've been expanding some brackets recently, so one bracket multiplied by another. Now, there's some patterns that come up on a very regular basis that you just need to know about. Oh, by the way, you might see it all dark on this side. The light up here is blown. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be half in darkness, half in light. But everything on the board will still be fine. Now, there are some patterns that when we're multiplying brackets come up on a very regular basis. The first of those ones is called the difference of two squares. No, not those guys. Now, difference of two squares is talking about square numbers. For example, if I had, say I wanted to do 5 squared take away 3 squared. Well, obviously that's a very simple one. We know that's going to be 25 take away 9. That's going to equal to 16. Now there's actually a little pattern that works here. When you've got 2 squared numbers, whatever the number is that's being squared, we can do this with it. Inside one bracket, I can go 5 plus the 3, and then times another bracket, I can go 5 minus the 3. And I will get the same answer. 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 times 3 is 2, 8 times 2 is 16. Hey, it works very nicely. And I'll just do another one for you to show you that it actually works. Let's say I was going to do 20 squared take away 15 squared. So that's 400 take away 225. That's 175. If we follow our pattern, we find out what is the number that's being squared. Well, we'll do the 20 plus the 15 inside one bracket, and I'll do the 20 take away the 15 inside the other bracket. I'll have 35 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 through the 15 plus 2, 17. Same answer. Very good. So we have a clear pattern being set up here. And so what's the pattern? Well, if I have one particular number that's being squared, and from it I'm removing another number that's being squared, I will end up with the pattern. I find out what the two numbers are that are being squared, and in one bracket I add them together, and in the other bracket I subtract them from each other, which is, you can see what I have done here in these situations. This is called the difference of two square numbers. It's a pattern that you'll come across a lot. It's a pattern that you need to know and be able to use. Now, some examples of that would be things like, okay, you'll get questions that will flow both ways. For example, one type of question you will get will be, you might be asked to factorise. So you might have x squared take away 9. You're asked to factorise. That means turn it from two numbers added or subtracted together into two numbers multiplied together. So what will those two numbers be? Well, as we've done all along, find out what is the number that's actually being squared. So we have an x squared take away 3 squared. And the pattern says you take the two numbers, put them inside one bracket, add it together, and you put them inside another bracket subtracted from each other. Factorised. That's one style of question you're going to get. We take two numbers added together, turn it into factorise. Of course, you're going to have to do it in the reverse direction as well. You might get ones like this, where you're asked to expand two things. You might be asked to expand, for example, what I've chosen. You might choose 3x plus 4 being multiplied by 3x minus 4. Now, when you get these particular ones, you need to look at it and say, hey, is this the factorised version of the difference of two squares? If it is, what you'll have is two numbers in the front in one of the brackets added together, the same two numbers in the other bracket subtracted from each other. So if you have this pattern set up, you should now start to recognise that is the factorised form of difference of two squares. So when you come to expand it, it's this here done in reverse. So we take the first number, which is 3x, and you square it. Because it's a difference of two squares, you put a minus sign in. Then put the second number, which is 4, and just square it. Squaring this, so 3x times 3x, 3 3 is 9, x times x is x squared. 4 squared is 16. That is the expansion of the question. So for difference of 2 squares, 2 types of questions you're going to have. You'll already have 2 squared numbers taken from each other, and you'll be asked to factorise, like this example. Or you'll already have the factorised format, and you'll recognise it by they're identical except for one's plus, one's minus, and you'll have to do the question backwards and expand it. Difference of 2 squares. Good luck with those ones. Oh, by the way, I was on the computer the other day and it was asking me to put in a new password. It said it has to be 8 characters long. So I chose Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs.